Rivian just landed a massive $1.25 billion deal with Uber for 10,000 robotaxis. So why did the stock just crash 7.5% yesterday? Is their dream dead, or did the market just give us the ultimate cheat code entry? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to play this volatility using a specific income loop strategy. I'm breaking out my new calculator app to show you the exact math on selling puts to buy the dip and how to turn Rivian shares into a weekly paycheck with covered calls. If you're holding Rivian, you can't afford to miss the math I'm about to show you. And by the way, these concepts work on any ticker, not just Rivian. First, let's look at the facts. Rivian was up nearly 10% just on the Uber news. Uber is committing $300 million upfront and up to $1.25 billion through 2031. This is huge for the R2 platform. But yesterday was a classic sell the news event. We saw profit taking, jitters with oil hitting $100, and some minor insider selling. But wait, don't let the headlines scare you. While the tourists are panicking, the royalty, that's us by the way, we are looking at premiums. When volatility goes up, option prices go up. Let me show you how to calculate this on a red day. Now before we hop into my platform, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss any videos just like this one. All right, I have my new app up and connected, and we're gonna look at the live data section. That way, the system does all the work for us. Let's pull up Rivian, and let's pull up next Friday. Now, as we can see here, the stock right now is trading at $14.91 per share. Now, if you like the stock at $14.91, you should love it at $14.50 or $14. So here's our $14 strike. The stock would have to come down another 6% in order for us to be required to purchase the shares. A pretty big drop, in addition to the 7.5% drop it experienced yesterday. Now this contract is trading at 20 cents, meaning $20 would get dropped into our account right when we make the trade. The capital we have to commit on this trade is $1,400, as we can see here, because it's a $14 strike. Now the calculator does all the math for us. If we're making $20 and we're putting up $1,400, we're actually making about a 1.4% return on our money. Now we're holding the trade for 5 days because this is a March 27th expiration. So if we were to repeat a trade similar to this every single week, we would be making 72% on our money. Really good. Now here's the thing about selling puts, guys. It's literally like a win-win. You get paid either way. It doesn't matter if the stock goes up, goes down, or stays sideways. You keep the premium that you earned on the trade. If the stock drops below your strike price, you buy the stock that you already like on sale. It's a no-lose situation. And if you do have to buy the shares, or you already have shares of Rivian, you can totally sell a covered call. Let me go through that as well. A covered call, you're just committing to sell your shares if the price goes higher. You keep the premium no matter what. If the price goes higher, you sell your shares. If the price doesn't go higher, you keep your shares, you keep the premium, and then you sell another covered call next week. In fact, let's take a look at the premium for covered calls, just to give you an idea on if you did have to buy the shares, the additional amount of premium that you can earn from this strategy. As we said, Rivian is trading at $14.91 per share, as we can see here. So let's hop into the short calls tab, and let's pull up Rivian. And let's look at the same 1 week expiration. Now let's assume that you purchased the shares at $14. And as I mentioned, the stock is $14.91 per share right now. And let's take a look and see what an at the money or a $15 call is going for. So as we can see here, a $15 call that's 1 week away, just slightly higher over where the stock is currently trading, that's going for 50 cents, meaning $50 would get dropped into your account right when you make the trade. Again, this is holding the contract for 5 days. And because your basis would be $1,400 if you purchase the stock at $14 per share, you're literally making 3.5% on your money for 1 week's time. Annualizing that out gives you a 180% return. And here's the cool thing about the calculator. It doesn't just work for Rivian stock. These strategies work for literally any ticker you're looking to trade. You start with selling a put on a good quality stock that you wouldn't mind buying anyway. You collect premium, you buy the shares if the stock drops in price, and if you have to buy the shares, you turn right around and sell a covered call. And you use just these 2 tabs to walk through all the math for you. So what'd you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? If you want to use the same exact calculator I showed you in this video to manage your trades like a pro, click the link in the pinned comments. There's a 7-day free trial, so nothing to lose. Also, I'm going to do a deep dive on another ticker tomorrow. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the video. Anyway, I hope this video helped. Happy trading.